Revive Janitorial is a commercial cleaning company, and I started it in January of 2017. My husband and I actually started Revive Janitorial, and we started because we saw a need for commercial cleaning in just commercial buildings, offices, schools, restaurants, construction. We were both still working. We actually were at our corporate jobs, and we actually got laid off at the same time, so this is kind of our story. And we were like, what are we gonna do, Insurance, benefits, taking care of our children, taking care of our home. And we said that, this is a time for us to go full-time in our business. Let's rock out, let's just go hard every day, and that is exactly what we did.
It was just that leap of faith that everybody talk about, so it's not, for me, the scary part was the exciting part, because that's the part that really makes life worth living. We had a conversation, like, look, we already had a couple of small accounts, it was like, all right, we'll never get this chance again, just to go all in. And we did. And it was the best decision that we ever made.
I applied for the Diversity Business Accelerator to just expand our business portfolio. Obviously, we don't know everything about business and the industry, so we decided that we should be a part of a business accelerator to get some more insight to help our business grow. We just kind of got a lot of help to take our business to the next level.
The Diverse Business Accelerator program is an accelerated business growth program for small businesses owned by minorities and women that have an average annual revenue of $500,000. Our primary reasoning for working with Revive Janitorial on multiple projects is that both Jamall and DaYonne are coachable. They are people who are eager to learn and accelerate their business's growth. They knew what they already did know, but they were able to come into the program and apply our strategy ideas to what they were already doing to really blow it out of the park and allow them to be able to attract contracts all over our region.
And the Diversity Business Accelerator helped significantly because with everything that they helped us do, we created like a new proposal packet to send. Like, we just got more professional with a lot of like our templates, with our relationship with our clients. It opened up other doors for us to like sit down with marketing and budgeting people. We changed our website, like our marketing. We start sending out mailers to different clients and email blasts. We just learned so much more to help our business expand, and that is exactly why we wanted to be a part of the program. We actually have 15 accounts now. We have over 35 employees. We have grown significantly over the past 2 years. We've been full-time entrepreneurs for 4 years, and it's taken off. I mean, one door closed and all the other doors just opened.